All right, what do we got here today?
John, Tim.
John and Tim, Gene, last day at Mountain Creek, the jump dam day. It's another crappy, rainy day, but we're going to do it anyway. And we're going to make the best of it. So see how we do and follow the rest of this video. Are you ready? We'll just greenhorn it down the first one?
Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, it's gonna be really gross out. Why don't you guys go ahead of me and I'll record you. Right. Lots of mud. Man, holy cow. Yeah, dude, it's going to be those leaves that are going to be scary today. The slick leaves on top of the slick roots. We're going to be surfing, not mountain biking. My is going to be so wet today. I'm so you know? Alright. Following Tim. Oh my God. I gotta get some of this, guys. Look at this. Damn. There we go, I'll go again. Woo! Nice run, man.
Yeah, if I hadn't done that before, I wouldn't know where the trail was with the lead.
Right, I know. Alright, so now we got some guys from Canada with me today. Alright. Fuck. Woo! Going down Dumbo. All right. Wet and Rudy. Nice run.
Oh, good. Right.
Yeah, here we go, just like the kids said. Oh my God, look at it. Oh, yeah. All right, well, that kind of was the water bar. Woo! Wet and Rudy, guys, damn. Ride her down. I thought I picked a good line on this one,
Yeah.
but I slipped out on it, and I obviously didn't. Nice, man.
Is that the regular mountain bike you got?
Yes, it is. Hey, how are you? Oh, let me bring my achy body over.
I'm David. I actually come up. Gene, I came up on your screen as Bugsy Siegel.
Oh, hey.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. Is it?
I usually go this way.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Because that one's a double black. I'm thinking, well, that got stepped up pretty quick. 25-foot blue, and now we're into angels again. The trails are actually starting to dry up a little bit.
Yeah.
See, right up here, you got to stay left. Woo!
What's up, G?
Don't aim for me. Woo! Nice. All right, the easiest way here is staying right. Easy is, you know, relative, but you see what I'm saying? I mean, and I'm gonna walk this right here. It's just too leafy and rooty. I'm gonna get hurt. I don't know if you can see this, folks, but this is all crazy shit right now. Just not worth it right now. All aboard! Woo! Nice! Right? Now see, this is the only hard part. It's these stupid whoopie-doos that, you know, the farther the roller goes, the roller's nothing. These whoopie-doos, because you get some speed when you go down the roller, these are what kill me, not the roller.
Yeah, I kind of jumped the first one out of the car. Bad idea.
if you take this for a second and then go straight over the berm.
Yes.
That's a cool
You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right, good. Yeah, I like it's a little yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I know exactly what you're talking about. It's a lot of fun.
What is this?
Yep, go ahead. That's the one. All right.
Lower ripper.
Lower ripper. You've done this, right? Isn't that what you said? You love that little section? That's what I thought you meant. Look at Tim taking on lower ripper. Yeah, babe. Woo! Nice, boss. Dude, that was awesome. That mud will that slips you out, doesn't it? Oh! Woo! Nice. Here's a tough corner up here. That was a ball scraper. Woo! Woo! Nice. I gotta tell you, dude, your suspension barely even moved.
Yeah.
It's all mental. You could do something so much bigger than that. You handle that so well.
A little more speed that time, eh?
Yeah, you had a little more speed,
Deeper.
but you landed so evenly that the bike just went, really. I'll show you the video later on. You'll look at it and you'll be like, oh wow.